Very good morning class students. Our running topic is surface area and value. Surface area and value. So today also I am going to explain some important problems from the chapter. Listen well. A hemispherical ball of a diameter 9 centimeters. What is the diameter of the ball? 9 centimeters. The liquid is poured into cylindrical bottles. So here one hemispherical ball is there, that is full filled with a liquid. That liquid is pouring into cylindrical bottles of diameter 3 centimeters. So diameter of cylindrical bottle is 3 centimeters and height is 3 centimeters. So we have to empty that ball. What you have to find here? You have to find how many cylindrical bottles are required to empty the balls. A hemispherical ball of a diameter 9 centimeters. The diameter of the ball is 9 centimeters. To empty the ball, it means to is pouring. One hemispherical ball is there. It is filled with a liquid. That liquid is pouring into cylindrical bottles. How many bottles are required to empty the bowl? Here, the bowl is in the shape of hemisphere. What is the diameter here? D is equal to 9 centimeters. Let required cylindrical bottles. I am taking a scale. Then, what is the dimension of a hemisphere? D is equal to 9 centimeters. It means radius is half of the diameter. R is equal to D by 2 is equal to 9 by 2 centimeters. Then after dimensions of cylinder, diameter 3 centimeters, radius is equal to half of the diameter. It means 3 by 2 centimeters. Then what is the height of the cylinder? 3 centimeters. As per given. What he is doing? A hemispherical ball is full filled with liquid. That liquid is pouring into cylindrical bottles. So here what is the conversion? Hemisphere to cylinder. In conversion, maybe here shape changes from hemisphere to cylinder, but in conversion volumes remain same. So what we can write here? Volume of hemisphere is equal to K into, why I am taking K? I don't know how many cylindrical bottles are there. So K into volume of cylinder. K into volume of cylinder. What is the formula to find volume of the hemisphere? 2 by 3 pi r cube is equal to K into pi r square h. 2 by 3 into the value of pi is 22 by 7. Similarly, what is the radius of the hemisphere? 9 by 2. So it is 9 by 2 into 9 by 2 into 9 by 2 is equal K into, what is the value of the pi? Pi value is 22 by 7 into, what is the radius of the cylinder? 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 into height of the cylinder is 3 centimeters. Here you have to find the value of the K. 22 by 7, 22 by 7 cancel. Then what is the remaining here? 2 into 3. 2 and 2 gets cancelled. 3 ones are 3 threes are. 9 nines are 81. 81 threes are 243. By 2 twos are 4. Is equal to K into 3 threes are 9. 9 threes are 27. By 2 twos are 4. So the finally 243 by 4 into 4 by 27 is equal to K. 4 and 4 cancel. 9 threes are 27. 9 2s are 18, 6 remaining. 9 7s are 63, 3 1s are 3 9s are. So Q is equal to 9. Required cylindrical bottles, K is equal to 9. So to empty that bowl, I need 9 cylindrical bottles. So 9th students, here another question. How many liters of milk can a hemispherical bowl of a diameter 10.5 centimeters hold? How many liters of milk can a hemispherical bowl of diameter 10.5 centimeters hold? So here one hemispherical bowl is there. What is the diameter of that bowl? 10.5 centimeters. Diameter of hemispherical bowl. Is equal to 10.5 centimeters. If you know the value of the diameter, you have to find the value of the radius. So D is equal to 10.5 centimeters. R is equal to D by 2 is equal to 10.5 by 2. I am converting as a fraction. Nothing but 105 by 20 centimeters. Quantity of milk can hemispherical bowl hold is equal to volume of hemisphere. Volume of hemisphere. What is the volume to find the hemisphere? What is the formula to find the volume of hemisphere? 2 by 3 into pi r cube. So it is 2 by 3 into pi means 22 by 7 into r cube means what is the value of the radius here? 105 by 20. So r cube means 105 by 20 into 105 by 20 into 105 by 20. Any cancellations here? 3 1s are 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15. 7 1s are 7 5s are. 2 1s are 2 10s are. Next 2 11s are 2 10s are. So what is the remaining here? 11 into 5 into 105 into 105 by 10 into 10 into 20. If you do the calculations, you will get the answer 303.1875 centimeter cube. After the calculations, you will get the answer 303.1875 centimeter cube. But I need in liters. 1 centimeter cube is equal to 1 by 1000 liters. So from that what we can get here? 303.1875 by 1000 liters. It is nothing but what is the answer? 0.303 liters. So the hemisphere can hold 0.303 liters of milk. And students, here is another question. A hemispherical ball made up of a stone whose thickness is 5 centimeters. Here one hemispherical ball is there. Here thickness of that ball is 5 centimeters. Thickness of that ball is 5 centimeters. And inner radius. What is the inner radius here? 35 centimeters. Thickness of the ball is 5 centimeters. Inner radius is 35 centimeters. Find the total surface area. You have to find total surface area of that ball. See here, total surface area of given ball is equal to, see here, curved surface area of the outer hemisphere plus curved surface area of the inner hemisphere plus area of this ring. See here, to find the total surface area of the given ball, you have to take curved surface area of the hemisphere, inner hemisphere, plus curved surface area of the outer hemisphere, including the, you have to take the area of this ring also. You have to take the area of this ring also. To find the total surface area of the given hemisphere ball, you have to find three values. One is CSA of inner and CSA of outer, and also area of the ring. Now CSA of the inner hemisphere. What is the radius? 35 centimeters. And what is the formula? 4 pi r square. Sorry. To find the curved surface area of the hemisphere, what is the formula? 2 pi r square. 2 into pi means 22 by 7 into r square means 35 into 35. Here 7 ones are 7 5s are. See, to find the curved surface area of the inner hemisphere, what is the formula? 2 pi r square. So after the calculation you will get 7700 centimeter square. Next I need CSA of outer hemisphere. To find the radius of the outer hemisphere, you have to add a radius and also thickness. What is the thickness here? See here. This is the radius of the inner and this is the thickness. So by adding inner radius and also thickness, you will get radius of the outer hemisphere. So the radius of outer hemisphere is equal radius of the inner plus thickness. R is equal to 35 plus 5 is equal how much? 40 centimeters. So radius of the outer hemisphere 40 centimeters. Now what is the formula here? 4 pi r square, 2 pi r square. 2 into 22 by 7 into 40 into 40. So what is the curved surface area of the hemisphere is 2 pi r square. 2 into the value of pi is 22 by 7 into what is the outer radius? 40 centimeters. 40 into 40. So after the calculations you will get 10,057.14 centimeters square. So after the calculations you will get 10,057.14 centimeters square. Next I need area of ring. What is the formula to find area of ring? Pi of r plus r into r minus r. What is the value of the pi? 22 by 7 into r plus r means 40 plus 35 into r minus r means 40 minus 35. 22 by 7 into 40 plus 35 75 into pi. So do the calculations. 22 by 7 into you will get 117.53 centimeters square. So what is the area of the ring? 1178.57 centimeters square. So to find the total surface area of the given hemisphere, I need CSA of the inner hemisphere plus CSA of the outer hemisphere and also area of the ring. Here, what is the CSA of the inner hemisphere? 7700. What is the CSA of the outer hemisphere? 10,057.14 centimeters square. Similarly, what is the area of the ring here? 117.57 centimeters square. Now I know the all values. I have to find total surface area of the given hemispherical ball. Here, TSA of given hemispherical ball is, after adding the total, what do you get here? 18,935.71 centimeters square. Next, homework problems. If the curved surface area of hemisphere is 154 centimeters square, then find its radius. Write the formulas of the following: curved surface area of the cone, total surface area of cylinder, and the volume of core.